everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of Sony's new LED TV and the model number is R20F. So let's get started. After remove the seal, first you will get the remote. After that, the table stand and the power adapter. After remove the protection cover, you will get the warranty card and user guide, power cable and 2 AAA batteries. So this is the TV, protected by a plastic cover. This is the bottom side of the TV where you have to fit the table stand, and this side you see the speakers. On the back side you see these ports: AC input port, audio and video ports, an antenna port and a VGA port. On the right side of the TV, there are 2 HDMI ports, 1 audio 3.5mm jack and 1 USB port. When you turn up your TV, you see the screen where you have to choose the language. Next, where you use this TV, your home or your shop. If you using this TV on your home, then choose home. And after this, do you want to start auto tuning? If you using cable network, then start this process. And if you using DTS, skip this step. Now set the date and time. Now you are ready to go. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.